Mastering the UCC-1AD, when and how to use the Financing Statement Addendum. When securing a significant commercial loan, the standard UCC-1 Financing Statement might not always provide enough room for all of the necessary details. What happens when you need to list an extra debtor, a second secured party, or detail real estate collateral? Hello and welcome to DBI Global Filings. In today's video, we're breaking down the official UCC-1AD form, the essential addendum used to supplement your initial financing statement. Hi, this is Russell Murray. The UCC-1AD form is critical for maintaining proper public record and protecting your security interest. The UCC-1AD, or Uniform Commercial Code Financing Statement Addendum, is not a standalone document. It is a supplemental page that must be attached to a standard UCC-1 financing statement. When additional space is required or specific real estate related information needs to be included. Its primary purpose is to ensure all relevant parties and collateral details are publicly recorded without modifying the standardized format of the main UCC-1 form. When to use the UCC-1AD? There are four primary scenarios where using the UCC-1AD is required. Number one, multiple parties. If you have more than one debtor or secured party involved in the transaction, the addendum provides designated space to list them correctly. Number two, lengthy names information. If the names or addresses of the primary debtor or secured party don't fit entirely within the fields of the initial UCC-1 form, you continue that information on the addendum. Number three, real estate related collateral. When the collateral is tied to real property, such as timber to be cut, mineral rights, or fixtures, the UCC-1AD is used to provide a description of the real estate and the name of the record owner if the debtor doesn't hold that interest. Number four, special entity types. For security interests where the debtor is a trust, a trustee, or a descendant's estate, the addendum includes specific checkboxes to identify the nature of the entity. Let's highlight a few key sections of the addendum. Item number 9. This section simply requires you to re-enter the name of the first debtor from the main UCC-1 form. This creates the necessary cross-reference for the filing office's system. Items 10 and 11. These are your main entry points for additional debtors and secured parties. Remember to use the exact legal name of the organization or individual, as mistakes can have serious legal consequences for perfection and priority. Items 14 through 17. These sections manage the real estate details, fixture filing information, and record owner names when the collateral involves land or attached assets. The golden rule of UCC filings is accuracy. The UCC-1AD ensures that your public notice is complete and unambiguous, which is vital for establishing your lien priority over other creditors. If you have specific scenarios or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Managing your secured transactions effectively protects your business interest. For further assistance with complex filings, please visit our website at www.dbiglobalfilings.com to speak with our UCC compliance specialist. Thank you for listening and be sure to file accurately.